Now, the Kolkata police have released details of the deadly hotel fire at Sikha Inn on Mirza Ghalib Street in West Bengal. Police are now saying that around 60 people were rescued from the hotel premises during prolonged rescue and firefighting operations. Prem, you also have the MLA there on the ground from BJP, Agnimitra Paul. In fact, politics is also seems to be erupting. Earlier, when you spoke to the people there related to BJP party, they said that it is all because of the TMC, that no compliances have been adhered to by the people. Buildings are given on rent just like this, and with no heed being paid to the compliances. And now we have more details coming in that 60 people have been rescued. But of course, the larger question is, what about the 6 people who are still battling for their lives while the hotel owner goes missing on the run? All right, we'll try and get back to Prem, but these are the visuals that we are showing you of Agnimitra Paul, the BJP leader who is on the ground and taking stock of the situation of this fire tragedy that has broken out at Sikha Inn. These are the visuals. Police officials are speaking to the BJP leader in Mirza Ghalib Street in West Bengal, where the tragedy has taken place. Remember, viewers, 60 people have been rescued, 9 people have lost their lives. Rescue operations, what we are learning, is something that lasted for 2 hours. So it took 2 hours for the rescue personnel to in fact carry out the firefighting operations. I have my colleague Prem. Do tell us what exactly is being inquired by the BJP leader there. We are getting the visuals, how she is speaking and taking stock of the situation.
BJP Minister Agnimitra Paul is currently at the spot. She is taking a stock of the situation, taking the briefing from the police officials and the firefighting officials who were at the spot, who rescued the people. She is also taking a stock from the BJP leaders who were the first respondents to reach the spot and rescue the people who were trapped inside the hotel. Sources tell us that most of the people who lost their lives were Bangladeshi.
দেখুন এই ঘটনা এটা খুব মর্মান্তিক ঘটনা, কিন্তু তার মধ্যেও যেটা উল্লেখযোগ্য সেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের দপ্তরের কর্মীরা এবং আমাদের দপ্তরের আধিকারিকরা খবর পাওয়ার সাথে সাথে এখানে ছুটে গেছেন। ছুটে যাওয়ার পরে 80 জন ব্যক্তিকে আমরা উদ্ধার করতে পেরেছি। এটা একটা বড় উল্লেখযোগ্য ঘটনা। আর খবর পাওয়ার সাথে সাথে ভোরবেলা আমি এসেছি, আমার মাননীয় ডিজি সাহেব তিনি এসছেন, মুখ্যমন্ত্রী রাতভর আমাদের সাথে ফোনে যোগাযোগ রেখে খোঁজ খবর নিচ্ছেন আর আমাদেরকে উপযুক্ত নির্দেশ দিচ্ছেন। আপনারা এই জায়গাটা ওটা আমরা খোঁজ খবর নিয়ে দেখছি। আমি নিজে ভেতরে ঢুকেছিলাম, তো খুব বেশি নজরে পড়েনি। আরো ডিটেলসে ফরেন্সিক বিশেষজ্ঞরা আসবেন, আরো তদন্ত হবে, তখন বোঝা যাবে। সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট সেটা হচ্ছে এই রকম একটা বিল্ডিংয়ে প্রত্যেকটা ফ্লোরে 4টা-5টা করে হোটেল, এবং প্রত্যেকটা হোটেলে কোনো ঘরের জানালা নেই, খুপড়ি করে একটা মাত্র জানালা ছিল বলে 2 জন ভদ্রলোক ভদ্রমহিলাকে উদ্ধার করা সম্ভব হয়েছে। আমাদের কর্মীরা ল্যাডার দিয়ে নিয়ে গিয়ে উদ্ধার করে নিয়ে এসছেন। কিন্তু আজকে যদি জানালা থাকতো, সঠিক ব্যবস্থা থাকতো, তাহলে ওনাদেরকে বাকিদেরও বাঁচানো সম্ভব হতো। তো কি করে কেএমসি পূর্বতন সরকার, তাদের অভিশাপ আমাদের বহন করতে হচ্ছে। তারা কি করে এখানে ট্রেড লাইসেন্স দিয়েছেন, হোটেল করার পারমিশন দিয়েছেন, এটার বিরুদ্ধে তদন্ত হবে এবং প্রত্যেকের বিরুদ্ধে কড়া ব্যবস্থা হবে। গঠন হবে কমিটি গঠন হবে। পূর্ণাঙ্গ তদন্তের জন্য কমিটি দরকার, কমিটি গঠন হবে।
দূরত্বে ফায়ার ব্রিগেডের যে অফিস, সেখান থেকে আসা এবং 9 জনের মৃত্যু হওয়া, কোথাও গিয়ে কি খবর পৌঁছতে দেরি হলো নাকি?
না, সাথে এসছে। 2:07 আমাদের কাছে খবর এসছে। 2:08 মধ্যে, রাত্রি 2:08 মধ্যে এখানে আমার ফায়ার ব্রিগেডের অফিসাররা, কর্মীরা, তারা সবাই পৌঁছে গিয়ে কাজ শুরু করে দিয়েছে এবং আপনারা দেখবেন আগুন বেশি দূর উঠতে পারেনি সেই জন্য।
All right, viewers, in fact, we got the details where this person is in fact talking about how 80 people have been rescued so far. Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari also took stock of the situation. This person went inside hotels, did not have any windows, ladder to rescue the people is what he's saying, and he's in fact blaming the Mamata government who was in power. There will be an investigation is what an assurance that has been given, and a committee will also be formed while fire officials are currently investigating the fire. So these are the details that we have. So clearly big politics is also seems to be erupting here. BJP officials clearly blaming the Mamata government, and I have my colleague Prem in fact to get us more details on this. Prem, what we are learning is that a committee is also going to be formed to look into what exactly went wrong, but it clearly seems prima facie that there were significant lapses in compliance at this particular hotel.
Well, absolutely, a committee is going to be formed. There are 2-3 developments which is currently taking place at the spot. Number one, that BJP leader and Minister Agnimitra Paul is at the spot. She is taking the stock of the situations. The visuals you can witness at your screen. Other than that, forensics teams has also reached the spot to identify what was the cause of the fire, what was the root cause of the fire, how the fire spread rapidly. Other than that, the hotel owner, Shikha Inzona, is currently absconding, and he is currently being searched by the police. According to the police sources, they are telling us that he is still on the run and they are trying to nab him, that what caused the situation, whether there was proper compliance of the fire safety norms there. To be specific, viewers, that this very building has only one entry and exit point, and this entry and exit point people were supposed to exit during the fire situation. What was the cause of fire is still being searched by the forensics team, and BJP leader Agnimitra Paul is currently at the spot taking the stock of the situation. A committee will be formed. The hotel owner is on the run. 15 people were rescued according to the fire department. Other than that, 9 people lost their life. Most of them were Bangladeshi citizens, and 6 people are still undergoing treatment with critical injuries.
Right, Prem. Well, thank you so much, but continue to keep a close eye on the developments that are taking place in this story. Shifting our focus to more news that we're getting in. Now, viewers, in a major development in the CJP Parliament.